Well, thank you for joining us. I'm going to look at a few questions to do with rounding off and approximating or estimating. So there's a few questions here that I'd like to do in this time that I have. The first one is, which number is closest to this approximation? Is it 9.006? Is it 9.010? Is it 9.1 or is it 91? Well, you see, 9.006, whilst these are close, this is close and this is close, this is not close at all, this is way off, this is like almost 80 more. This is plus 80, which is a little bit too far away. So it's not that one. Well, to three decimal places, well, we would have the exact number, but for 2 decimal places, we would have 1. So this 6 means that number would go up to 1, and we would still have 9.1 in that position. So for 2 decimal places, we should have 9.11. So 9.11, it's not this one. For 1 decimal place, which means the 0 means this will not change, so we just leave it at 9.1. And 9.1 is in fact the best approximate, the closest number to 9.106. All right, let's look at the second number here. Now this says which estimate is closest to this answer for the number sentence. Now, the thing is, we don't want to calculate this. We want to estimate. So let's round this up to say 13. Let's round this up to say 20. So what's 13 times 20? So I'm going to put an approximate symbol in here. So whenever you estimate, please do not use a calculator. It's not asking you to calculate it. It's asking you to find an estimate, which means what's a number close to 12.89? We'll use 13. What's a number close to 19? We'll use 20. And 13 times 20 is 260. We wouldn't use 12.9 times 19.1 because that's too complicated to multiply. All right, so we're looking for the number 260 as an estimate. That's question 2. All right, let's look at the final one, question 3. Round this number to 3 decimal places. So we only want 3 decimal places. So that is going to be either 68. It's going to be either 68, sorry, and 62. Let's go back there. 62.842, or because this number is greater than 5 or equal to, once it's 5 or bigger, it will actually go up. This number here will increase to the next incremented value, which is not 842, but 843. So this is the correct answer for 3 decimal places. This is not the correct answer for 3 decimal places. So this is generally no problem. I've looked at some of your work and happy with the 3 decimal places. But I'd like you to be careful with the estimate, that's for sure, and also rounding off and other approximations. Be careful. Have a happy day. I hope this has helped. Until I talk to you again, stay happy.